the former Dillard's here at the Carey Towne Center Mall. This place is very dreary and silent on this Thanksgiving holiday weekend. It's Saturday night. I always thought that North Carolina was overmalled to begin with. Dave & Buster's keeps this place going. Now, when this mall closes, I'm not sure what they're gonna do with this place. Joseph A. Bank. Buy one suit for $4,000, get the other one 50% off. They do got some nice suits though. High quality. This reminds me of that time I went to the Phillipsburg Mall, Phillipsburg, New Jersey. Jimmy Jazz. I don't know much about this mall, but I'll do a little bit of research and leave some info in the description box. But this mall is like classic. (2020) has been quite a year. And not in a good way. But we gotta face the music, people. These stores, they're on their way out the door for good. The Kmart Corporation, all these malls, online shopping will prevail. Now, Dave & Buster's is a pretty big company here. Only the strong survive in this society that we live in. There's nobody in this mall but me, Jason from the A Muncie channel, and a couple people that work at these stores. This video is a reminder for myself that nothing lasts forever. Now, before I came in here, there was a ton of people going to Dave and Buster's. Belk. This is insane. The Belk. That is it, people. Wow, that was one silent. This is like the Richland Mall in South Carolina. I might be saying that name wrong. Phillipsburg, New Jersey. Phillipsburg, New Jersey. In the Westland Mall. All right, everybody.